So on this week's Financial Mail, I write a story about FirstRand. It has now become Africa's largest bank by market value, earnings, and return on equity. It's outperformed Standard Bank, which has always been the largest African bank by market value and earnings, but Standard Bank remains the largest African bank by assets. We look at the tenure of Sizwe Nxasana because this outperformance happened under him, and I think FirstRand is arguably in the best position under Nxasana. So we interview Nxasana, we talk to the FirstRand founders, Paul Harris, GT Ferreira, and Laurie Dippenaar. They take us through the journey of the bank when it started originally in 1977, how they merged with RMB, Rand Merchant Bank, which was owned by the Ruperts in 1984, how they took over insurance assets in the early 90s, helped build up Discovery when Adrian Gore came with an idea to them. They helped build up Outsurance in 1999, and before that they had bought First National Bank from Anglo American, which created what is now called FirstRand. Since then, the group has performed and outperformed all the major banking groups in the country, and now sitting on top spot. Now, Sizwe is in his last lap. That's what we say in his cover. He's 57. He's 3 years away from 60, which is the conventional age in which executive directors retire. So we talked to Sizwe on what his plans will be over the next 3 years. He's a difficult man. He won't give you scoops or sound bites, but he'll give you a humble conversation on what he thinks about the bank, how it has performed. He acknowledges team effort as the reason behind the performance. But one thing that he has to do is to cement African expansion.